Kung naghahanap ka ng Endla Townhouse sa Tanza, Cavite, ito na ang chance mo. Bank foreclose ito at no bidding basta walang kasabay. Property details, located here at First Park Homes, Tanza, Cavite. This is a townhouse and lot. Mas maluwag, mas presko at mas may privacy kaysa inner units. Lot area 72 square meter, floor area 40 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Perfect ito para sa starter family, OFWs or pang-investment na paupahan. Selling price, 1,915,000 only. 20% down payment, 383,000. 80% bank home loan, 1,532,000. Kung ipa-bank loan mo for 20 years, estimated monthly amortization nasa 11 to 12,000 lang. Mas mura pa kaysa rent. Bank fees at transfer title ay hindi pa kasama. Important reminders, bank foreclose, as is where is, no bidding basta walang kasabay, meaning kung mauna ka at walang kasabay, sayo na agad ang unit. Kaya dapat mabilis talaga ang galaw dito. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash, bank home loan. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now para ma-schedule agad ang site viewing. Dahil end lot units sa First Park Homes, bihira at mabilis ma-reserve. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!